Christianity's negative view of living life on earth played a major role in the prohibition of unwed sex. As stated before, according to the Gnostics and Christian fathers, bringing souls into this plane of existence was seen as negative. They believed that the only way a soul could successfully live on earth was if it was born to loving parents, who would extend that love to the child and protect it from harm. However, this way of thinking has led to dysfunction around sexuality, particularly for unmarried people. It's absurd to think that a piece of paper and a state sanction can determine if we go to heaven or hell. I'm not against marriage at all. All I'm saying is that embracing a more positive and inclusive mindset around sexuality can help us to live more fulfilling and authentic lives. Instead of viewing sex and love as exclusive to marriage, we can celebrate and embrace the diversity of relationships and experiences that make us human. Let's empower ourselves with knowledge and understanding and break free from limiting beliefs and attitudes towards sex and relationships. You are gods and goddesses in training.